Hello! Welcome to the final episode of the PixelForgeAI tutorial, where I will talk about additional options such as profiles and the image saving procedure in web mode. Let's start by focusing on the image saving procedure in web mode. The saving procedure involves recording the entire manual process of saving an image by the user. This is only possible after completing the basic and required step of selecting the prompt text field point. So, set the point and the button for creating the procedure will become active. After clicking this button, the procedure creator will open. I recommend generating a sample image first and not touching the browser window. Do not scroll, move, or resize it. The first and simplest way is to record a left mouse click on the download button next to a previously generated image. Start recording by clicking the Start button, then click Download, Save, and finally, Stop and Save. Remember, if something shifts by a few pixels, the procedure may not work. Let's run the whole process. All the movements you see now are performed automatically. The second way is to record a right mouse click in the center of the generated image and select Save Image As. Let's try it. Again, open the procedure creation window, click Start, right-click on the image, select Save Image As, and confirm. Finish recording by clicking Stop and Save. This method is often more reliable, especially when the browser interface may change. Now, let's move on to profiles. Profiles allow you to save frequently used attributes and settings. For example, you can create a profile for generating coloring pages. You create a profile by clicking the Add Profile button and entering its name. When you have a profile set other than the default, save options will appear. After each attribute change, you can click Save, or you can enable autosave mode. Then every parameter change will be automatically saved and restored the next time you launch the application. Let's set a few attributes and restart the application. As you can see, both common and specific attributes have been loaded for this profile. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the entire PixelForgeAI tutorial series. I hope that using the application will now be even easier and more effective for you. See you next time.